Hey guys, I just wanted to pop back on here again and talk about separation between either twin flames or soulmates who are coming together to, be with the one that they, want to be with. And there's a lot, I guess, in terms of happening with everyone. Everybody's evolving, everybody's transitioning to another phase or other phases in their lives, and sometimes those spaces require you to do things in a solo type of manner. So pertaining to like soulmates and twin flames, if you were in some form of relationship or contact with your twin flame or soulmate, and then the universe sort of came in, or some random thing might have happened and sort of brought you to a point where you needed to separate in a way. That's in a way of the universe or God's or source's way of letting you learn from where you just got and from being together in a way, and then coming to a separation point, so you can go more on your solo journey before you come together in another way, whether that be physical again or spiritual again, whichever way that's needed or that's meant for you on your journey. So the separation, there's a lot of transitioning. A lot of twin flames may be going to more business oriented things, or going more creative wise, dealing more with their creative side of things, trying to build up, because next year is bringing a lot of abundance for a lot of people. So at the moment, you need to sort of have your focus mainly on tasks or business opportunities and stuff that you're trying to create for yourself. So a lot of that is happening for many, and a lot of separation has allowed that to happen. Not saying like you'll be solely focused on the relationship aspect or the together aspect that you may have had with your counterpart or soulmate, but just the whole, it will allow you basically to put your energy in a lot of other areas too, in a way, though you're still working on that goal or that, union if you're trying to reach it. Some twin flames, I don't know, it's a lot of battling happening. It's a lot of strenuous sort of, endeavors they got to overcome journey-wise, and it's a lot of things you got to work through, a lot of cycles you still got to close. It's a lot of, it's a lot of work in general that people have to go through to get to, to build up what they're trying to build up. Financial wise and everything, debt needs to be paid off. So whichever way that, resonates with anyone, they'll get where I'm trying to say, or get what I'm trying to say. It's in a way like, you're trying to work on yourself in a different manner, in a quicker manner in a way too. But yeah, next year is bringing a lot of abundance for people, though next year is also pertaining to karma-wise. And I but I have occasion of the dreams about next year and what's coming, the karma of people. Like, if you're not actually working on, better in relationships, and you're actually building that sort of negative karma, bad karma, and what you have to face in a way. I'm not saying I know everything or I don't know anything. Like, I'm just saying, like, in terms of what I do know, what I was told, and what I'm informed about and whatnot, that, like, work on your karma. I'm not saying you have to be this spick and span person, but if you know the wrong that you are doing, just stop it, If you are doing anything that you know you shouldn't be doing, stop and just try to fix that issue. We're not perfect. I know that 100%. Like, we're not perfect. We all know we can make any type of mistake. It's all a matter of, asking for forgiveness in a way if you do some harm to someone, or, changing the aspect if you are doing any type of harm in any other fashion. You create your outcome in a way. You are your actions. You do your actions, and you're responsible for those actions. So just keep working on that. It's a lot of separation right now for you to work on that. Some people might be falling back to old patterns, still repeating the same things, but it's okay. It's a learning experience. You're supposed to learn from your mistakes, and it's for you to grow. And it's a lot of good things, man. And it's just this whole journey, twin flames or soulmate, whichever journey you're on, you'll know it's a tough one, and it's supposed to be tough. It's supposed to have you test yourself and build yourself up, remove those things you're supposed to remove yourself from. Continue to go and you strive for what you want, basically. So yeah, there's a lot of separation. Just work through it. If you do want that form of relationship or union with whoever you want it with, continue to work towards that, and you'll get your guidance on whether that needs to be worked on and whatnot. A lot of people are coming back in to speak on, future-wise and stuff like that. And it's a lot of messages about the beginning of of a relationship that you may have had with your counterpart or soulmate that came up or that's coming up a lot. And you guys probably may be going over certain situations that you might have talked about and trying to, build again or build there again in a way. So yeah, just trust the universe, trust yourself. Remove those old things that you don't no longer need or serve you in a way. Keep fighting, keep going, stay strong. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys another time.